In this section, we talk about atom array. If you take a look at the icon of the atom array, it looks like it's a visible wireframe of an object. So let's click on this atom array. Now we have this and we need to give it a shape. In the primitive object here, maybe I will choose platonic. There's different shapes inside platonic. You can take a look at the object and the type is Icosa. You can change to Octa, you can change to Bucky. Now I just choose Icosa. When I drag my content or my object underneath atom array, now let's take a look at atom array and what attributes it has. Now we have this underneath the object. We have sphere radius, which is the sphere balls, and we have the cylinder radius, which is this cylinder radius, and the subdivision of it. So let's take a look. If we increase the sphere radius will increase and the cylinder radius will increase. What if we don't want the sphere radius to be there? We just want the outline of it. And we can make sure that our spheres same radius with the cylinder radius. So once they have the same radius size, and you will be able to see that it's just a wireframe. And if let's say I can reduce it to 2 and this is 2, you'll be able to see that you created a nice visible wireframe. And when you render, you will be able to see something like this. So this is atom array. If you want to create something that is visible with its wireframe, you can tweak the thickness of it, then atom array will be your choice.